In this video you will learn how to delete your YourSafe account. First, withdraw all your funds. Log into your YourSafe account and withdraw all your remaining funds to your bank account using the Swift transfer. Check out outstanding balances. Ensure there's no pending transactions, fees or reserved funds. Your account must have a zero balance before it can be closed. Request account closure. Contact YourSafe customer support through email or live chat. Then request your account to be closed. Clearly state that your balance is zero and you want to close your account. Use regulatory rights. If you are in the EU or the UK, you can refer to your GDPR to ensure it's right. If you're in California, you may cite your CCPA data deletion rights to enforce this request. Receive confirmation. Wait for the official confirmation from YourSafe support that your account has been closed and your data has been all removed. Uninstall the app. Once the account is closed, uninstall the YourSafe app from your device to complete the process on your end. Now you know how to easily delete your YourSafe account. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.